Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do Highland cows cupcakes. This has been trendy for quite some time, as you all know, but this is my actually first order for cupcakes. So let's go ahead and start on them. So here I'm gonna do fondant details for the horns, for the ears, and for the nose, and the rest will be all buttercream. So as usual for my fondant details, I'm gonna pre-make them the night before I need them, and I'm gonna use my satin ice fondant. For the horns, I'm gonna do them all the same color, and then I'm gonna do a couple color variations on them so they will all have kind of colors to match. So we'll cut out the nose, and I'm gonna use my roll pin to do impression for the nostril and the indent for the mouth. Then I'm gonna put some tongue on, and some of the for the cows I'm gonna use just regular buttercream, and some will be with star tip, and some I'm just gonna use a regular grass tip for the fur. All right, so let's do this. And here's the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed you something new and you will be willing to try it yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your family and friends. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.